Guys, I'm so sorry for not making a video today. But I'm making one right now. So yeah. I don't know. I just didn't feel like doing on Wi-Fi because I was a little busy today. Actually, my schedule got a little sidetracked. So yeah. Sorry for no video, but I don't have much going on tomorrow, so I think I might make 2 to make it up. 2 Wi-Fi battles, how about that? Yeah, how about it? Let's try about 2 Wi-Fi battles. Yeah. So yeah, I'm on Skype right now. Yeah, having a little fun. Yeah, I don't know why I'm making a video when I'm on Skype. Drink a lot of Coke. I'm like the Coke Master Blaster. So anyways, I gotta get going. Sleep for tomorrow. Yeah, so I can enjoy my second day of 2012 like I did today. Maybe I'll do something with Angry Birds. I got it on my Kindle Fire. Want me to do Angry Birds? Anything will do. I mean, seriously, I can't really do that. No, I can. I got lots of time. I'm serious. I got lots of time. I ain't got time to waste now that I go back to school on Tuesday. Yeah. I'll do 2 videos to make it up for y'all. Alright. So, see you later, I guess. Goodbye. Anyways, goodbye. Cheers.